guys and gals, welcome to this episode of Gearheadgirl, where today we are going over this Extreme TSC. So TSC stands for Torque Split Controller. So what that effectively means is that when you're in four-wheel drive and you go around, you win your race in four-wheel drive, and then you want to do mad burnouts, you can just flip this little switch and so you flip a switch, and then you can switch from four-wheel to rear wheel, and you can do your burnouts. So my understanding of this is if you're in four-wheel drive, you can go ahead and switch down to two-wheel drive, but if you're going to switch back up, you do need to be fully stopped to allow the sensors to readjust. And then you can also change your variability here from setting 0 to 10 on how much you want it to split. Pretty cool. So if we have it in four-wheel drive, which is the switch up on here, set at 0, that is your pretty much stock four-wheel drive setting. If you go all the way up to 10, that's going to be a 50-50 split, which is pretty cool, especially if you're, say, racing in the rain. Alright, so you've got your basically factory surround here. You put that in there, wires come out of the back. You've got your wires down here, and you just wire that into your four-wheel drive G sensor, and you'll be good to go. So that's what we're going to do now, and we'll let you know how it works out. So the Extreme TSC is not necessarily new technology. It's been around for quite a while, and it was based off of the setups in the Group A racing. So it is getting harder to find these original ones. Alright, so you can see Extreme TSC GTR Torque Split Controller. Got an outdated email down there, and then it shows you which wire is what. So you got your red, your 8-volt regulated, black is your ground, blue signal from lateral G, and white computer lateral G input. Handy dandy. If you're electrical savvy, you can kind of sort it out for yourselves, and yeah, but it should be pretty cool to try out. I can't wait to try it, and we'll have to let you guys know how it goes. So thanks for watching this episode. If you enjoyed this, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.